This problem asks to solve the differential equation of 2y to the y squared times y prime equal to 2x plus 3 square root x. So first we're going to rewrite y prime as dy over dx. And this is going to make it easier for when we have to move the x's onto one side and the y's on the other. So to do that, we only need to get dx on the other side, the rest would be good. So we'll multiply both sides by dx. Now that dx and this dx can cancel out. So this side we're left with 2y y squared dy equal to 2x plus 3. We can rewrite x, square root of x, as x to the 1/2, which will make it easier. And we have our dx. So now we have all of our y's on one side and all of our x's on the other. So we can go ahead and integrate both sides. Now this side, it's just going to be a simple u substitution. So we'll have u equals y squared for up here. And to derive that, we just use the power rule, which is kx to the k minus 1, where k is the constant, x will be the variable. So for y squared, we bring the 2 down, so 2y. 2 minus 1 is just 1, so we can leave it at that. So this side, we have our e to the u for our substitution. Oh, and I almost forgot the dy at the end here. And then we have our 2y dy, which is equal to du. We still have to integrate that. Now here it's just the power rule. So that is also, similarly, it's x to the k plus 1 divided by k. So we have our x. Right here it's just 1, so 1 plus 1 is x squared. And then we would divide by 2, so those 2's would cancel. We're just left with x squared plus. And then 3x to the 1/2, we also use the power rule. So we have x 1/2 plus 1 is 3/2. 3 divided by 3/2 is 2. And we'll have our plus e at the end. And over here, to integrate eu du, it's just e. It will just be eu again, so we can go ahead and just substitute the u in. So y squared equals x squared plus 2x to 3/2 plus c. Now, if we want to get this equal to y, we'll have to do ln on both sides. So those can cancel. And we're left with y squared equals ln of all this. And then to get rid of the squared, just take the square root of the other side, of both sides. So then our answer is y is equal to square root natural log of x squared plus 2x to the 3/2 plus c.